I love this question because mindset is everything. So, what do you do when you are during the slow times in your business? I would tell you that if someone thinks that slow times is a bargain, it's like you don't know what to do, you're like super upset about it, I would tell you that slow times is the godsend. So, you can organize your business, you can work a little bit more on social media, you can work on marketing, you can learn new things in order for you to be prepared for the season when it's busy, so you don't have the time to do those things. Take the slow time in order to prepare for the times that are going to be super busy. I would definitely work on talk to clients, learning how to convert, learning how to post, learning about ads. Just overall put your mind into the learning mode, because once you learn, now you raised your personal potential, your personal value. So you're going to be able to apply it into your business and give your business that boost that you really are looking for. Please let me know if this shifted something in your mind. I want to see it in the comments.